Alright, today's episode is brought to you from under the nether regions of a 20-ton lowboy. Our spring hangers won't pass inspection. I already hit them with a needle scaler, so you can see why. There's a hole, but looking at it here, these are just slappers, and all your weight is residing here. So this is just a support and for lateral stability. So I'm just going to go ahead and plate these and make them legal and all more gooder. So yeah, I went ahead and hit them with a needle scaler. I want to go ahead and clean them up with a grinder now and weld some plates in. So let's get in it. Alrighty, I didn't clean it up as well as I should have, so my welds aren't very pretty, but I put enough paint on. I mean, if your paint's not running, did you really paint it? As it drips. Anyway, yeah, we're good to go, and we are done.